Markets as dull as can be with a little late day selling. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And the market was higher all day until the end. A little late day selling, and I think it was very evident that there was going to happen when you looked at the VIX. The VIX went from negative a little bit to positive about 330, 320, and that's when the selling started. So again, but the volume is so quiet that I wouldn't get overly excited here. This is not the opportunity to jump in. This is not the move we're looking for. This is just purely reading and watching the markets. And as we saw, the markets were, kind of working their way higher. Amazon made a new high. Tesla got clobbered as we said it would based on the news. And I think there's a lot more room to go on the downside. Again, I think that Elon Musk has got some big troubles here. Dow was lower. NASDAQ was around unchanged, but it was up pretty good during the day. Russell was up huge and came, didn't sell off all the way down, but came down quite a bit. So we saw a big reversal in the markets. But again, don't put anything into this because of the lack of energy and the lack of activity in these markets. But it is something just to watch because it could build from here. We'll see more tomorrow as it works out. But again, I would not get overly excited here based on what was going on. The bonds did spike higher. Now, again, I think they're probably a sale, but that is a sign of a little bit of panic and fear as well when you start to see the bonds start to move higher. Gold continues to remain totally comatose. Can't hold a rally. It hasn't sold off much, but after all, it has come straight down from the mid-1300s down to around 1200. So that's certainly something to think about. Oil tried to rally, broke down as we expected. Watch for a little bit of a bounce off of 66, but our next target here is going to be 62. Grains were lower across the board. Now, everyone wants to know, well, we had such great news on the grain markets. Why did they sell off? Well, because market expectations. That news is already priced in. That's one of the things we always like to talk about is information that's already priced into the market. So you had a rally into it. You had a little bit of a sell-off. You've got the USDA report tomorrow. Again, I'm hoping for my own personal greed that the markets are lower tomorrow so I can buy because I'd like to be long going into that report. But if they're rallying, I'm not going to chase them up. I'm already long anyways. Cattle, a little bit softer today. I waited and bought, and it still went lower. But I think this is about a pretty good target for both feeders and fats. Hogs, we got the biggest barbecue going. Got the hogs up the limit today. Again, the real important thing is not whether they're up limit today. The real importance is tomorrow, and if they can follow through. And I don't expect them to be up limit tomorrow. But what I don't want to see is I don't want to see them fall back down the $3 that they gained today. That would be something that would be pretty disturbing when we look at it. So hopefully the bottoms are in. I think we saw them. We've been looking for the bottom. Hopefully this is the area. And as long as they can hold up and at least stay above 50, I think we'll be in good shape. Bitcoin up a little bit, but not very much action. Again, we're in a very quiet phase pretty much in every market across. Now, we will see some action in the grains tomorrow because of the report. If we get a sell-off, we'll see some market in the equities. But if not, it'll be the continual same drift that we've got and we've been watching. So fortunately for me, I got a lot of nap time today and I got to watch some PGA, but there's really not a lot going on and I wouldn't jump in. The water is not fine right now. We need to have a little bit more evidence that we're going to start to see some movement. And then that will come first from volume and volatility. So let's see how it looks like tomorrow. We'll be back with Bubba's Bottom Line over the weekend. And if anything big happens tomorrow, we'll do a midday update. But in the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update. And of course, don't forget about our high school investing program. We're really struggling to get through this year. We do need some help if we're going to get to the program to go. I thank all of you who have helped in the past. But it's at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And also don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. We'll see you back over the weekend, then back with Monday with the Bubba's Daily Update. In case something happens before, we'll get to you right away. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you later.